Hello friends, welcome to Virtual Happy Hour, Self-Care Saturday edition. As you can see, I'm wearing this mask, which feels appropriate because I'm told we're supposed to be wearing masks all the time now. I have no idea what this thing is supposed to do to my face, but I expect to look like a newborn baby by the time this is off, and if I don't, I'm going to be very disappointed. I want you to know it's very hard to see out of this, because I don't know whose face they use as the template for this, but it's clearly not mine. The eye holes are woefully small and weirdly placed. I have really deep set eyes, I'm realizing. Bit of a Hannibal Lecter moment we're having here, but it's kind of appropriate that I feel like a horse with blinders on because today is the first Saturday in May, which means today would have been the Kentucky Derby, which sadly has been postponed until September because of COVID-19. But nevertheless, we are making a cocktail that is from Kentucky. It is called the Seelbach cocktail. It is a sparkling wine cocktail, and if you're choosing to make this with bourbon, you're doing it right in the old-fashioned way that they do at the Seelbach Hotel in Louisville, Kentucky. Today I am making it with Irish whiskey because I did bourbon yesterday and I just wanted to mix it up. Keep in mind I can't really see what I'm doing at all. So this is going to be interesting. Where is my jigger? Here it is. Okay, we're using our mixing glass. You will need a champagne flute in terms of glassware, and you'll need a wide peeler because we're using some orange twist as our garnish. So I have my Irish whiskey in this tiny little baby bottle because it felt appropriate with Self-Care Saturdays, because all of women's luxury skincare goods come in tiny pots like this. And also my neighbor gave this to me when I did the Irish Coffee Live Virtual Happy Hour on the Heart and Crown channel. Don't worry, it was a contactless exchange, but now I have a Miracle Le Maire potion size of Irish whiskey. So we're doing 1 ounce of whiskey. You could again, see, because I can't see, I spilled some. All right, on to the next. We're doing cointreau or triple sec. Again, for the whiskey, you could use rye or Tennessee whiskey, bourbon, or Irish whiskey. The only thing that I wouldn't advise you to use would be Scotch. 1/2 ounce of cointreau or triple sec, or even Grand Marnier or orange curacao. Use what you have. 1/2 ounce in there, and now quite a bit of bitters. The original cocktail calls for 7 of each, but I'm only going to do 4 of each of Peychaud's. There we go. This thing is very slimy on my face. Better be worth it, I swear to God. 4 dashes of angostura bitters. And then we're gonna add some ice and we're gonna give it a stir. There's whiskey all over my counter now. All right, let's give this a little stir. Fun fact about me that you may not have known, given that we're talking about the Kentucky Derby and horses. I had a horse when I was growing up. Her name was Charlie. She was quite charming horse, but it turns out horses are quite a lot of work, and I had a lot of hobbies being an only child, as you might imagine. Oh God, guys, where's my strainer? I've forgotten all about that. I'm going to need it. Anyway, having a horse is great until you realize that you have other hobbies. Here we go. And it's hard to maintain your sporting life and your performances as the lead in the school play, and muck the stalls and take care of a horse. So here we go. We've strained it into our mixing glass, and now we're going to add a little bit of sparkling wine to top it off. Quite a lovely color from the bitters. There's some sort of debris, probably from my face mask. Okay, now, here we go. I've run my Y peeler around my orange and I've sliced it down to size and formed it around a cocktail pick. Now I have this lovely little orange peel. Cheers. It's really hard to get in here. And it tastes delicious. So this is the Seelbach cocktail. Cheers to you. And I'll see you on Monday, and look forward to Cinco de Mayo on Tuesday, where we'll be making a lovely little tequila/mezcal cocktail. Have a lovely sober Sunday tomorrow, and see you on Monday.